Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you're running a server for off-site backup purposes, but you also have a few applications running on it. One of these tasks involves automating a daily rsync operation to make files available for another application. Now, normally this rsync process doesn't consume too many resources, but during peak times when the number of files increases significantly, it ends up hogging all the resources, slowing down, or even halting other critical applications. The bottleneck here lies in the file system, specifically a ZFS pool on mechanical hard drives. While redesigning the file system isn't an option right now, we need to find a way to limit the resources this rsync operation uses without disrupting other tasks. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. So, the solution lies in using the nice command. By modifying the scheduling priority with nice, we can effectively limit the resources consumed by the rsync operation. The key here is to run the rsync command with a lower priority setting using nice N19. This will ensure that the operation runs in the background without hogging all the CPU resources. Remember, we want this task to be a lower priority and not compete with other critical applications. By incorporating nice into the rsync command, we can achieve a balance in resource allocation and prevent any slowdowns. Now that we have a solid plan in place, let's move on to the next steps to optimize this operation. In summary, by utilizing the nice command with a lower priority setting, we can effectively limit the resources consumed by the rsync operation. This simple adjustment will allow the task to run smoothly in the background without overwhelming the system. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And as always, remember to comment down below with your thoughts or any witty remarks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.